Welcome to Forward Steps Vlogs. This section includes past questions and answers from Indian Accounts and Audit in the departmental test conducted by the Kerala Public Service Commission. Hope this is useful for you. Good luck. Statement of facts related to money or things having money value is called dash. Answer C. Accounts. From the following, which agencies are prepared the initial accounts of government transactions? Answer C. 1 and 2 above. The competent authority prepared the combined finance accounts and revenue accounts are dash. Answer A. Controller and Auditor General of India. The word auditor is derived from the dash word. Answer A. Latin word audire. Who will safeguard on behalf of government legislature against extravagance, carelessness, fraud on the part of department in equalization and utilization of public money? Answer C. Audit. The name of the agency employed to maintain or watch over the financial transactions of government is dash. Answer D. Indian Accounts and Audit Department. The independent power in audit and accounts delegated to Controller and Auditor General of India is dash. Answer C. Constitution of India. Which article of the Constitution of India provide the Controller and Auditor General of India shall be appointed by the President of India? Answer B. Article 148. Under which fund the salary of Controller and Auditor General of India is charged? Answer C. Consolidated Fund. The administrative powers of the C&AG will be governed by rules made by the President after consultation with C&AG provided in Class 5 of dash article of the Constitution of India. Answer B. Article 148. The C&AG Act 1971 passed by Parliament under Article dash of the Constitution of India. Answer D. Article 149. The object modern audit has the ultimate aim of dash. Answer D. The verification of the financial position of the undertaking. The audit entrusted to the Controller and Auditor General is dash. Answer C. Statutory audit. The additional audit undertaken by C&AG in respect of any body or authority by consent on such terms and conditions as may be settled between him and government concerned is called dash. Answer B. Consent audit. An additional audit entrusted with C&AG to the accounts of any other authority or body may be prescribed by or any law made by Parliament is known as dash audit. Answer C. Prescribed audit. The first stage of legislative control over the finance is dash. Answer A. At the time of policy making. Who state that, without audit no accountability, without accountability no control? Answer C. E. L. Normanton. The executive power of the Union vests with whom? Answer B. President. A minister who for any period of dash months is not a member of either House of Parliament shall at the expiration of that period cease to be a minister. Answer. C. 6 consecutive months. Whose duty is communicate to the President all decisions of ministers relating to the administration of the affairs of Union. Answer. B. Prime Minister. A society with objects not confined to one state and registered or deemed to be registered under any law for the time being in force relating to such cooperatives is known as dash. Answer. B. Multi-cooperative society. The chairperson of every metropolitan planning committee shall forward the development plan to dash. Answer. D. Government of the state. A fund placed under the disposal of Governor of Kerala to meet unforeseen expenditure is termed as dash. Answer. B. Contingency fund. The ex officio chairman of the Council of State is dash. Answer. B. Vice President. All doubts and disputes arising out of or in connection with the election of Vice President shall be inquired into and decided by whom? Answer. D. Supreme Court.